Okay, y'all. What a better way to spend my 4th of July than going to get something very American. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get there what I've come to get. Like I said, I was coming to get something very American. You know, Americans love their pickup trucks. So I'm gonna show y'all what. But y'all, he has quite the collection of cars. Okay guys, so she made it home. As you see, she looked just like the 4x4. So this one is not 4-wheel drive. It has a 302 instead of a 351. Step side, as you see. I do gotta put the other side back on. But yeah, someone put all these little lights on it. That's all just stuff in the inside. The trunk is super clean. Y'all see the seats and everything. Super clean. She just got to get, you know, the little trash and stuff out of her. But yeah, everything works. Cruise control, air conditioning. What else? Like literally everything. She doesn't have any issues. She made it the whole 2.5 hours home, which is fine. So yeah, she's gonna get a paint job because like I mentioned before, I'm not really a fan of blue, but you can see the paint is pretty all around. Like I said, I do gotta put the other step side on. But yeah, I accidentally stopped recording. But this is gonna be the new tow truck. If you know, you know. The 4x4 overheated. She has a really easy repair. I've just been being lazy. So, I don't know. I might just let her go. I might get her back together. I don't know yet. But, let me know what color y'all think I should paint this one. Because this blue gotta go.